In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Solana from MEXC to your Phantom wallet safely and correctly. First, open your Phantom wallet on desktop or mobile and unlock it. Make sure it's on the Solana network. On the main screen, click or tap Deposit or Receive, choose Solana, SOL, then copy your SOL wallet address or use the QR code. This is the address MEXC will send to. Now open the MEXC app or website and log in. Go to Assets Arrow Spot and check that your SOL is in the Spot wallet, not in Futures, Margin, or Earn. If it's not, transfer it back to Spot first so it can be withdrawn. Next, tap Withdraw, make sure Crypto is selected, and choose SOL as the coin. In the Address field, paste the Phantom SOL address you copied earlier. For the network, select Solana, SOL, so it matches Phantom. Enter the amount of SOL you want to send, review the network fee, and double-check coin, address, and network. When everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal and complete any email, YS or Google Authenticator checks. Finally, monitor withdrawal history on MEXC and your Phantom balance until the SOL arrives. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.